Have you ever tried to sign up on a crypto exchange and you get stuck on the verification process for days, even weeks? If that describes you, make sure you watch this video till the end, because in today's video I'm going to show you guys which crypto exchange has the fastest sign up and verification process, and I'm also going to walk you through the one I am personally using right now. But before we start, I want to lay a clear disclaimer. This video is for information and education purpose only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing I said in this video should be taken as a financial advice. Everything I'm sharing in this video is based on my own personal experience. Make sure you always do your research before using any crypto exchange. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, on this channel I make videos about crypto, make money online, and AI. So if you love videos around these topics, make sure you go ahead, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another awesome video just like this. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. All right, so one of the biggest frustration in the crypto space is not about trading, it is about getting started. So just imagine you watch a tutorial on how to trade, you did your own research, and you finally decide, okay, let me create an account and start trading. Then boom, the exchanges hit you with long verification process. They ask for your ID, sometimes driver's license, international passport, or your national identity card. They ask for your selfie and sometimes proof of address. And the worst part is that after submitting everything, they keep you waiting for hours, days, sometimes even weeks. And sometimes you don't even know the reason why your application have not been approved. And this is actually discouraging for beginners. The excitement of starting to trade slowly fades away while waiting for your verification. And that is why in today's video, we are not just talking about crypto exchanges, we are talking about speed, specifically for a crypto exchange that has the fastest sign up and verification process. Now, from my own personal experience, some of these big exchanges like Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, and the rest of them, their verification take days, sometimes even weeks, and sometimes they will end up rejecting your application without telling you what is wrong. But one platform that actually stood up for me is called CoinEx because of their smooth and fast verification process. Now let me show you guys why CoinEx is one of the fastest and easiest crypto exchange to get started in 2026. Now, for those of you guys that did not hear about CoinEx before, CoinEx is a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and the rest of them. And this exchange is also one of the oldest crypto exchanges out there. It was first launched in 2017, and since then they have been active in the crypto space. And one thing I love about them is that their verification process is very simple, straightforward, and fast. So to get started, all you need to do is to either sign up through their website or go over to Google Play Store or App Store. They have the application on both platforms. Download the application, and once you sign up, go ahead, log into your account, then you go ahead and verify your account. Just like I said earlier, the verification process is very simple, easy, and fast. For me personally, I got verified within 2 hours of submitting my KYC. All you have to do, just like any other exchange, is to upload your identity card. It could be a national ID card, driver's license, voter's card, or even a passport. Once you submit all these details, the verification is usually very fast if there is no issue with the document you submit. And in addition to that, their interface is also very clean and simple to use, which is actually good for beginners. And once you are verified, you can go ahead, fund your account, trade, and withdraw successful. No dramas, no waiting forever. So if you are into crypto and you want fast sign up, simple KYC, easy interface, and smooth trading, then CoinEx checks all the boxes. Now remember, this video is for information and education purpose. I'm only sharing my personal experience. So make sure you also do your own research before using any crypto exchange. If this video helps you in any way, make sure you go ahead, leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. I upload videos on crypto, make money online, and AI, so you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.